Hey, regular maintenance to protect your plumbing, right? We're talking about the house, the water heater, the appliances, water using appliances, your dishwasher, your laundry machine, the plumbing pipe itself. What we want to do is explain to you, why does this unit need annual maintenance? It's one of the most important things that you can get. No matter which water softeners out there, they all say you need annual maintenance, right? A lot of people go, no, I had a water softener, doesn't need it. Well, let's go through why, just so that you can understand it. The manufacturer recommends it because when you look at any control valve, depending on which one it is, there's moving parts on it. So the moving parts are designed to actually allow the water as it comes in to either go down through filter material or to go down through a distributor. So as you can see here, we have a little distributor. In some cases, we run the water all the way down to the bottom, and we then reverse the flow, and so we start fluffing up the filter material. Now when we fluff up that filter material, it lets go all the rocks that it's collected, and then it flushes it down the drain. So in that process, sometimes this filter material gets a little old and it gets a lot of buildup on it. So annually there's a citric acid bath or other chemicals that we can draw into this to help clean this filter material. The filter material is the most expensive part. It's arguably the most important part. Now you ask me why. Why, Andrew? Okay, let me tell you why. It's because the filter material is what pulls the rock off the water droplet. It's literally attracts it off it and replaces it with a sodium ion. So if we've got that resin bead, this golden color, working and being as strong as possible without buildup, without junk added to it, then we know that it's actually going to last longer for you. We want this filter material to last as long as possible. That's number one. Number two, this filter material, if it's made in America or it's NSF 44 listed, that's what we're always, talking about here, right? National Sanitation Foundation certification 44 for a water softener. What that means is that the unit is still going to remove radium 228 and 226 out of the water. It's going to remove barium out of the water. These are very, very important things. This means that we're making the water more healthy for you, right? So it's not only about protecting the plumbing of the home, it's about the plumbing of your body too, right? We want the plumbing of our body to be great and healthy, and the best way to do that is to make sure that we maintain this every year. Now, there's moving parts on this. So this unit actually draws salt out of a salty solution, and it draws that salt into this resin bed to clean it. And just that mechanical process of putting water in to melt the salt and turn it to a saline solution, to drawing it into the unit, all takes a little bit of mechanics. And those mechanics is what we want to sort of look at. So these are sort of like in a car, you have, of course, to change your oil or do your annual checkup or your 3,000-mile checkup. No different with the water softener. Again, the whole purpose is that we make sure that it's going to work year after year. In addition to that, our annual service includes us testing the water. What a great thing, right? We want to know, is the unit 100% working or not? If we come into the home and we do an annual clean and check and we find out that it's softening the water half, well, guess what? We're protecting that water heater. We're protecting that appliance. We're saving costs, because the number one thing that ruins water heaters, dishwashers, laundry machines is actually the rock in the water, right? Remember, when we're looking at laundry detergents or looking at the manufacturers out there, the largest manufacturer of water softeners in the world is actually Procter & Gamble. Yes, they don't make water softeners, they make liquid softening agents. So again, with a mechanical device that you have in your home, your costs drop drastically when you have a water softener that's mechanically treating the water. So again, this is how you can save a bunch of money. It's exorbitant. I mean, it's really, really crazy. If you want help on that, contact us. We'll actually walk you through how this system can actually pay you back. It's one of the most key components, because not only can we say, yeah, getting an extra 3 or 4 years of your water softener, 3 or 4 more years out of your water heater is going to put money in your pocket, but also the amount of soaps and cleaning supplies you have drastically drop. We'd be happy to demonstrate that to you. All you need to do is contact us and have a project manager either talk to you on the phone or come out and see you in person. Again, today's goal was to go over what are the benefits of doing this from your plumbing situation. I hope we've explained to you that annual maintenance is a definite necessity. If you have any further questions on that, please visit us at angelwater.com or give us a shout at 847-382-7800. I appreciate your time.